May I please, my lord, this is that Mpnrc matter, my lords, where my lords on the previous hearing, my lords have clarified, my lords, that the administrator can will take appropriate action with. And as far as my lords, we're filing this fresh action taken report, my lords, based on my lords, our undertakings given in the previous hearing, my lords. My lords, as far as my lords, make yes, my lords, as far as my lords, the yes, I've given my learned friend a copy. We prepared it, got the affidavit done today itself. Well, as far as the then registrar Malod's who was concerned.
Yes, it's all eyewash here. It's all eyewash. Page 14 and 13 is the. Yes.
Three issues we've explained in this ATR. First is that the erstwhile delinquent registrar who, at page 2 we've explained it. We've no. Administrator is continuing. That is there. So the person who was appointed as a registrar, we've removed that order, and the administrator today is continuing. The administrator is there. Now, as far as the earlier registrar goes, who was complicit in all this, that she has been transferred from Indore to Datia as a staff nurse. That is done, departmental inquiry has also been initiated against her. Yes, she's joined Datia. She's joined. Yes. About we've explained it. No. I bow down. It's falling from the previous hearing. I bow down. My Lord, Honorable Chief Justice, memory is very sharp. My Lords, have recalling it 2 weeks ago. My Lords, but yes. So my Lords, she's joined Datia, my Lords, relieved and joined. The D has been initiated against her, the appointing officer, presenting officer, we've mentioned it in the affidavit. And as far as there was a registrar who was also appointed along with the administrator. We've removed that registrar, and the administrator is there today. No. At page 4, issue number 3, removal of Srimati Stella Peter from post of registrar in terms of undertaking given on. And now the current administrator who's there, we are looking, my lords have ordered on the last date that we are free to replace the administrator if he so wants to. Till now, we've not been able to find a new administrator, so he's still continuing, my lords. So, my lords, I leave it to my leave it to my lords. He's doing it, my lords. He's doing it. He has. Yes, he is, but he is the department. No, we know. It was filed by the nursing council that he wanted to change. Anyway, state itself. But my lords have clarified that, and we removed the registrar, and he's continuing, my lords, as on date. And therefore, my lords, all 3 steps, my lords, we've undertaken, my lords. Kindly take this on record, my lords. No. Stella Peter has been removed. She's been repatriated to her earlier place, and now it is with Yogesh Sharma, who was appointed way back in 22 in terms of my lord's order of August of 22, and he's a doctor, associate professor, and all. So therefore, my lords, if I may, my lords, disagree with my learned friend, my lords, his statement was that it's an eyewash, my lords. These actions, my lords, he opened by saying, my lords, that it's an eyewash. So just to address that issue, that we've taken effective steps as far as these 3 issues go.
Lords, may I draw your lordship's attention to IA number 10307 of 23. at page 450 precisely. Stella Peter, the lady who was appointed and then repatriated. She is still functioning as a dean in MP Medical Science University. Presides over every important meeting in which decisions taken regarding nursing are taken. 450, IA number 10307 of 23. Out of the 46 colleges which were inspected by her as an inspector, page 450, this is the list of 46 colleges, Stella Peter and Saroj Saxena. So out of these, 16 were found unfit. And in spite of that, she was appointed as registrar. And when this anomaly is there in their knowledge, and still she's continuing as dean.
No, Shiju
Stella,
is the
Stella.
Shiju is the person and posted to Datia now. She's the erstwhile who was.
Yes. Stella is respondent number.
She's not a respondent. She's not a respondent.
No, that dean is respondent. This Stella Peter, Your Honor, he was appointed as registrar. We pointed out that this is the thing which is submitted by her. So they repatriated her. But she still continues to occupy the position of dean in Medical Science University, MP. This is where she presides in all the important meetings where decision regarding nursing council are taken. That the allegation is this, that out of the 46 colleges which she inspected, 16 were found unfit. We have annexed the document. Yes. And 16 were found. So she is still, and no charge sheet has been issued against her. So what kind of action taken report is this? They're still protecting all the inspectors, Your Honor. Then the next is, Your Honor, at page 13, 14, and 15 of the action taken report, which they have filed today. This 14 and 15 is, Your Honor, the charge sheet which they have submitted. 2-page charge sheet to the earlier registrar, Siju. And it is just a sham. These 5 colleges, Your Lordships, they submitted an affidavit that they, after 100 inspections, they have given recognition to 49 colleges. And we pointed out before Your Lordship that out of those 49 colleges, some were functioning in the teen shed and other stuff. So on that day, Your Lordships were kind enough to suspend in the open court. She was suspended. And only these 5 colleges which we pointed out have been included in the charge sheet. And the charge sheet has been issued by Dean Medical College, Gandhi Medical College, Bhopal. She doesn't even have the data. So even the data was not provided to her before issuing the charge sheet. It is just, I was 3 heads. Charge sheet only 3 heads, Your Honor. Not specific charge sheet. Only 5 colleges which we were pointed out. And there are so many colleges. First charge is, Your Honor, regarding that आपकी पदस्थापना रजिस्ट्रार नर्सिंग काउंसिल भोपाल के पद पर रहने के दौरान आपके द्वारा निम्नांकित संस्थाओं को मान्यता जारी की गई 5. Only 5 colleges, whereas there are numerous colleges. We have second charge is regarding आपके द्वारा श्री विशाल बघेल अधिवक्ता पता नंबर सो एंड सो गढ़ा को जबल द्वारा सूचना के अधिकार के अंतर्गत दिनांक 10/1/2022 को प्रस्तुत का आवेदन पत्र के तारतम्य दिनांक 12/5/2022 को अत्यधिक विलंब से जानकारी उपलब्ध कराई गई। इस प्रकार आपके पदीय कर्तव्यों का सही निर्वहन नहीं किया, जो कि कदाचरण की श्रेणी में आता है। और थर्ड इज आपके द्वारा आपकी पदस्थापना रजिस्ट्रार नर्सिंग काउंसिल भोपाल के पद पर पदस्थ रहने के दौरान मान्यता प्रक्रिया में विलंब, फैकल्टी डुप्लीकेसी पर कार्रवाई ना करना, गलत रिपोर्ट प्रस्तुत करने वालों के निरीक्षण कर्ताओं पर कार्रवाई ना करना और एनएम की परीक्षा में विलंब कराना, प्राप्त शिकायतों का समय सीमा में निराकरण नहीं करना, अपने पदवी कर्तव्यों का सही ढंग से के कारण कदाचरण की श्रेणी. दिस इज द ओनली चार्जशीट. We pointed out, Your
There's a
Honor,
third charge also.
that I've read the third charge also. These are the. We pointed out, Your Honor, only three, only three, only three. So this kind of this is the charge sheet which they file. Yeah.
Let's first, Manoj, the query raised. We filed a reply to his IE, Manoj 10307. No, Manoj, there'll be more, Manoj. Right now, if my lord will see charge number 3 also, Manoj. आपके द्वारा, and these admittedly these names have been given by the petitioner, so we've included them. Manoj. आपके द्वारा आपकी पद Manoj, we in this charge sheet, one of those files are there. If my lord will see charge number 3 also, आपके whatever are there, मतलब will be included. There's no running away from that. मतलब आपके द्वारा आपकी पदस्थापना रजिस्ट्रार नर्सिंग काउंसिल भोपाल के पद पर पदस्थ रहने के दौरान मान्यता प्रक्रिया में विलंब, फैकल्टी डुप्लीकेसी पर कार्रवाई ना करना, गलत रिपोर्ट प्रस्तुत करने वाले निरीक्षणकर्ताओं पर कार्रवाई ना करना, एएनएम जीएनएम परीक्षा में विलंब किया जाना एवं प्राप्त शिकायतों का समय सीमा में निराकरण नहीं करने अपने पदीय कर्तव्यों. तो now as far as अच्छा ज्यादा होने ना मतलब as far as the above submission, that it has been issued by the Dean of Gandhi Medical College, the delinquent officer is an employee of that Gandhi Medical College. So the Dean is the competent authority to issue this charge sheet. And it's autonomous. Number 2. Number 3, what my learned friend in that application which he's talking about, 10307, with respect to, there are two persons over here. One is Miss Shiju Peter, who Sunita Shiju, who was the erstwhile delinquent registrar, who has been removed way back, administrator appointed. Then the administrator was appointed, and we got one Miss Peter over there. This application said that you cannot get Miss Peter. I'll just read the prayer, Manoj. It's an application taking document on record. Yeah. We have removed Miss Peter from them. So there is no, and she's not even a party respondent over here. If he's saying that we have to move against Miss Peter also, Manoj, we are doing all necessary action, Manoj, we'll move. We are not saving anybody. But as far as giving the charge of registrar to Miss Peter goes, we have rectified that action. We have removed her, Manoj, on our own. So therefore, Manoj, there is compliance, with the undertaking that we've given, and it's not an eyewash, as my learned friend is pointing it out. If Malad will just see the prayer in that application, that in view of the aforesaid, this honorable court may be pleased to pass an appropriate order dated on order dated 28/6 and further direct respondent number 1 to 4 to take action against the existing registrar for her conduct mentioned in the instant application. Now, the existing registrar was Stella Peter. Their objection was, how can you get in a registrar? We removed her. Our reply to that application, Manoj, what my learned friend is saying, that this person inspected 16 colleges, those 16 colleges were found to be insufficient, Manoj. In our reply, Manoj, apart from giving a detailed justification, Manoj, in para 12, we said that all these, there are 27, they are termed as sister tutors. There are 27 of them. One of them is Miss Peter. And all these 27 have gone and inspected the colleges at one point or the other. So, if these 27 are also involved, we will take action against them also. But to say that this, by removing Stella Peter, that is not the compliance, that would be, in my humble submission, incorrect, because that is what this application was about, and we've done that, we've removed her. So therefore, the charges are there, Manoj, then the inquiry will be held, Manoj, in complete substantial compliance, Manoj, and in accordance with law. That's my respectful submission. Correct. Yes. Yes. Yeah. Yes. My lord. Well, as far as yes, I follow that. That due diligence was. No, no. As far as yes, yes. As far as Manoj, no, no, Manoj, I'm. We can do a better charge sheet, right? Well, the CBI already has that.
CBS taking care of on Gwalior.
No, the CBI is already investigating this by virtue of the Gwalior High Court order. CBI is already has from the
300 is
Gwalior.
college, only 3 Gwalior, not here, Jabalpur.
We've moved an application there,
Entire state.
entire state, and there is an application filed there to get those. There's an application filed to get those matters. All. It's taking entire state.
CBI is only
Entire state,
investigating 300 colleges, Your Honor. They have given recognition to 600 colleges.
Entire state, Manoj. I can state it on instruction. Entire state, the CBI is looking at. We'll put it on affidavit. No, it's not there. I'll file an affidavit on it.
My lord, may I just make a submission?
There's no number. From the administrator, there is no number.
My lord, may I make a humble submission?
Coming out of it, in the state again.
Plain rules also. Yes, it will be gazetted.
पूरा देख रहा हूँ पूरा स्टेट देख रहा हूँ हाँ क्लियर क्लियर बट ऑर्डर तब की नंबर क्या है ठीक है मेरी कोई फॉर जॉब है सर करते हैं तब कोई नंबर बताओ
Well, the CBI is looking after the entire state. That WP number I'll just give. The Gwalior High Court order for the CBI inquiry. What my learned friend is saying, only 300 colleges. That
364 colleges which were affiliated by the Medical Science University, which got, they are investigating. The only colleges which have been granted recognition by council, they're not investigating. And that is more than 600 colleges.
That is WP 4847 of 23 pending at Gwalior. We filed an application here also for transfer and application number पर raise कर दो ID number
आंसर हो नंबर ना 4847 unconnected markets
My lord, we were just trying to point out, we have framed rules for on behalf of the council. We are moving an application, bringing on report all the steps taken, including cancellation of colleges, recognition of colleges, and the rules to appoint gazetted officers on the post of registrar and also non-gazetted officers. Well,
Some players who are running. Lord, just did not got into the bottom of this.
Yes.
You see, this is too much of this. Any hope in there, but
Yes, probably.
exactly what also behaving.
No, we'll
So why up to you can defend your cause. Beyond that, it's clear. Can't defend them forever.
no, I'm not seeking to defend the indefensible at all. I'm not seeking to defend the indefensible also. That's not my. Those charges, those 5 colleges. That,
It's both satisfied. So, they will ask you, say,
Correct.
they will keep taking hold of this.
Yes, I bought them. I'm
Number three is not capable of for an inquiry. Here only 5 colleges. Stable that would be
completely.
the Amazon is stable. Answering their doubts.
No, we'll be more proactive. Manoj.
Yeah, I'll let them know.
Sit down next week. Get compared on all. So,
Manoj, we'll do that. Manoj has said 4 8s.
colleges are ready to have infrastructure and then try to keep those.
That
Mpnrc, what is it?
They are being transferred to the other colleges where the infrastructure is there and they are duly recognized by the college.
Have they been done or we have the process of
We have done cancellation only in the last week only, and therefore we are transferring it to the other colleges.
cancelled all 3 4 months, right?
My lord, some of them were cancelled, my lord, but the faculty duplicacy and the other issues relating to infrastructure, my lord, for that,
Yes, but doubt on them, that is some issue to transfer to students.
must.
It's where you require reasonable,
Madam.
we want reasonable.
We'll make a statement.
Shut down those colleges and transfer them to the colleges.
Ji. We'll be doing.
All of the students are studying in a college without any appropriate
Madam.
standards. That's one thing also your daughters.
Madam.
We'll address the entire.
Because you want to protect it.
Well, we'll.
I'll address everything next. I'll address everything next week. I'll address. No, I bowed him. I follow. Well, I said 487 and other connected are also there with that. We'll give them. Oblong, grateful.
We are also filing an IA, my lord, copy supplied to them.
I-
Well, it's only for pointing out the steps which we have taken. Ji. Yes, we have supplied, ma'am.
Yeah.
I number one, I under section 151 of CPC for disposal.
For what?
For disposal of the writ petition in the light of the steps which we have taken, ma'am. So, we have to frame rules and everything, my lord. So just to indicate, my lord, what steps we have taken.
Brimstone, they want to kill.
This I had no knowledge of.
Same mistake. Seed of covering this case. It's all the way to state.
Grateful. I had no knowledge of this IE. At my defense, I can say this, but not at anybody else's.
Oh,
It's courage under fire also, Balas. Grateful.